Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a beautiful simple cuff for your sleeves. So this is my sleeves pattern. So you just have to cut it in a regular way. So I have already done video for this. You can go and check it out. I will leave the link below in the description box. So you just have to cut your regular sleeves. And here the length of my sleeves is 9 inches. So I'm going to take 1 inch extra. So this is your choice how long you want your sleeves to be. So now I have this interface, this fusion paper. So with this I'm going to make the cuff. So width of this fusion paper is equal to the bottom part of our sleeves where we are going to attach this, and length is 2.5 inch. So this is your choice. You can take 3 inches also. Now fold it in half. And here from the open side I'm going to take the half and I will mark it here, and then I will join this point to the top point with little bit of curve. Here I'm giving little bit of curve. Now cut this out. And we will have this shape. Now I'm going to attach this to the piece of fabric here like this. So the shiny side will face the fabric side. Now give 1/4 inch of gap at the bottom part and then cut it according to the design from the top side. So here you can see I have cut this. Now I'm going to fold this extra fabric, this extra 1/4 inch of fabric like this, and from the down part we don't have to fold it. Now just give an iron and stick both the pieces together. Now this is the sleeves part. Fold it in half. Now from the middle I'm going to take 1/2 inch. You can take 1 inch also, or rather you take 1 inch and then mark it here like so. Similar marking you have to mark at the another side also. Here you can see how I'm giving this. Here you can see how I'm marking it. Now open it. Now I will take this marking and I will fold it from the middle. Now I will give stitch and make the pleat. So here you can see I'm folding it. I'm folding that 1 inch of marking and I'll taking it to the center part of the sleeves, and then I'm giving the stitch. So this is very easy. Just follow the step that I'm doing. Here my stitch is done and I have given an iron also. After giving an iron, here you can see it is very clean and our pleat is ready for the sleeves. Now I'm going to attach my cuff part to the bottom side of my sleeves. So here we have this 1/4 inch of extra fabric. So I'll take the wrong side of my sleeves and then I will place my cuff part here like this. And you have to make sure that your this part should be at the center part of your sleeves. So make sure you're not giving stitch on the interface. You just have to give stitch to the sides of the fabric part. So here my stitch is done. Now I'm going to turn this to the right side of my sleeves. So from the right side it will look something like this. Now adjust it properly and then we will give stitch here and attach this cuff to the right part of our sleeves. So first I have pinned this. Now I'm giving stitch so that my stitch will be perfect. Here my stitch is done. and you can cut this extra part. If you are getting any extra part here at the sides, you can cut this out. And like this, my cuff is attached to these sleeves, and it's looking like this from the back side. It will look something like this. So this was such a simple design for your sleeves, and this cuff will give really beautiful and pretty look to your simple sleeves. Now just fold it from the middle and just attach this to your dress in a regular way. And from the sides, it will look like this. So this is the overall look. I hope you liked it, because this was so easy to make. You can decorate your cuff with some decorative buttons also, like this. So this will enhance the beauty of your cuff and your sleeves also. So I hope you liked this video and you learned something new. And if you liked it, then please give thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.